Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to this week's Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Eastern Time is what we are using. This week is kind of a quiet week. Monday's a holiday, Juneteenth. There's no trade rooms. We'll start in our room at 8 a.m. for building permits and housing starts, and then we'll finish out Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. for FedEx earnings. Wednesday, 2 a.m., no trade room, but there is a British report, the core CPI. We do have a DMM daily trade report for that event. Our first trade room Wednesday is 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction, and then we'll be back at 4:15 p.m. for the API crude oil report. Thursday morning at 3:30 is the official Swiss bank rate. No trade room, and we don't have a trade set up currently, but you might want to watch that on the euro. My guess is there's a trade there, as that will be an impact on the euro for sure. Thursday at 6:40 a.m. we have the Bank of England official bank rate in the trade room, and then 8 a.m. we're back for unemployment claims. 9:45 we have three events on Thursday: existing home sales, natural gas storage, and crude oil inventories. Crude oil inventories is our YouTube free stream of the week. Friday, there are three events that are important. The Euro French Flash Manufacturing Services report at 3:15 a.m. The 3:30 report is the German version, and then at 4:30 is the British Flash Manufacturing report. We'll be in the trade room on Friday for our last event of the week at 9:15 a.m. for the Flash Manufacturing Services. So make your way into our trade room, learn all about appointment-based trading, and you can learn to trade these events with us. We'd love to see you there. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the Trading Director at 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you all in the trade room.